What I wanted was a simple, low horsepower wood chipper. And maybe you can see it. See, this just got blades that cut away. Real simple. Honestly, if I wanted to do it, I could probably take one of those gas powered ones and throw it on the back of here. I also wanted something that's self-feeding. I saw some amazing videos on these, and these suck through. In the end, it didn't work out for wood chipping because you need really green wood, and normally the way the things go down here is I cut up a tree, time goes by before I get to the branches. This just didn't work out, but let's put it to use. I had a lot of mammoth sunflowers, some mammoth stalks. Let's see if this thing could be a good chopper for like corn stalks or sunflower stalks. That's exactly what I wanted. Even went through these bigger stalks pretty easily. Not even bogging it down at low RPMs. But the biggest thing I hate is feeding a wood chipper. You have to hold it in place, make sure it's just right, and it could be bouncing around. This, you couldn't see me off camera, but I was standing as far back as possible, putting it in there and letting it suck through. That's what I wanted. But another problem is, most of the trees I deal with have very gnarly branches. Wasn't working that great through this. But if you have something that is straight, like corn stalks, sunflower stalks, this chops it up real nice. Now this is something my lawnmower would not have liked. So this is just another view of it. You can always adjust the blade depth. Super simple. It's just a rod on pillow blocks. Square stock that happens to fit just that rod just right, welded on, and I tapped bolt mounts in for blades. Spins around, chops it, feeds it at the same time. The other one's feeding it and chopping it. Well, I'm glad I didn't have much money in this. I think the PTO shaft was like 40, the pillow blocks were 20 something. Not even $100 wrapped up in this, just my time. I keep finding uses for it.